So this is my toolbox. It's a school bus mechanic. Let's start here. This is my tablet where I have my work orders, radio, Dremel, rivet gun, soldering, nibbler. I have drill bits, drill, impact driver, battery tester, random stuff. Down here I have power probe 2, the hook as well, pressure tester. Come here with my Milwaukee box. I got my chargers here, flashlights. I got connectors, fuses. Here I have wheel seal remover, battery crimper, rivet gun. This is the tool I was using the other day to remove the seals. It's to clean the condensers. Extractors. This is airline disconnect tools. You do air brakes, you need that. Screwdrivers. Got paperwork here. Random stuff. Got random stuff here. Air guns, scrapers, flashlights, wrench drawer. There's a few short sockets here. Got stuff that I use that I don't use every day. You know, just keep it in its box. Picks, scrapers, hammers, electrical drawer, more specialty tools, random stuff here, some random stuff as well. You know, I have some stuff that I use, sockets, 3/4, 1/2 inch, a few specialty sockets, drill bits, punches. Got a Milwaukee saw saw, charger down there, pry bars here, magnets, trays, bits. It's my ratchet drawer, extensions. There's a few picks here. Wrench drawer as well. Pliers, all kinds. My socket drawer. These are all 1/2 inch, a few 3/4. Power tools, 3/4, 1/2 inch. Got some air tools here, grinders. These are 1/2 inch, 3/4 sockets, specialty sockets. But I'm running out of room, so I'm getting a new toolbox tomorrow. So this is it, guys.